Welcome back. Now we will discuss about the problem based on the ceramics. Suppose suppose one this type of compound is present. So bigger these bigger atoms are anion, and in the center one cation atom is present, and I joined all the centers of anions and cation and formed one triangle ACB. This is right angle triangle. So these are anions, and at the center one cation is present, and I represented this triangle here ACB. So this triangle is ACB. Now you can see here the distance AB is equal to here up here to here, it is RA, one radius of one anion, and radius of cation up here. So 2 times radius of cation plus radius of another anion. So it is 2 radius of anion and 2 radius of cation. So distance AB is 2 RA RC. Similarly, distance AC is radius of 2 anion, so 2 RA. Similarly, distance CB, radius of 2 anion, so radius 2 RA. Okay. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. So 2 RA RC whole square is equals to 2 RA square plus 2 RA square. I applied Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. Okay. So after application I got radius of cation by radius of anion this much. Now in this triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, draw one perpendicular from here. Suppose this is O. So this angle will be half, means 45 degree. So apply cos 45 degrees. So cos 45 and this much, like here from here, and one perpendicular here. So this much, this triangle, this is small triangle. Okay, this is small triangle. So this is small triangle. So this is RA, radius of anion, and similarly this is radius of anion again, and this distance is what? Radius of anion plus radius of cation. You can see from this triangle here, it is this triangle up to here, so this triangle. Okay, this. Now apply cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is base by hypotenuse. So base is RA, this, and hypotenuse is this RA plus RC, and cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. If you solve, then again you will get RA by RC 0.414, and we know the relation. If the RA, radius of cation by radius of anion, varies from radius of cation by radius of anion varies in between 0.4142 to 0.732. Then the coordination number is 6. And this type of example is this type of coordination number is NaCl, and it is having octahedral structure. Okay, So it is clear. Again we will solve one problem. Suppose cation and ionic radius is given. Ionic radius is given in nanometer. In nanometer, Al plus 3 Fe plus 2 Fe plus 3 calcium plus 2. So all ionic radius are given. So it is having ionic radius 0.5, 0.053, 0.077, 0.069 and 0.100. Similarly, anion is given. Anion is given and their radius is given. So O2 minus chlorine minus F fluorine minus this is chlorine Cl, and their radius is given 0.140, 0.181, 0.133. So these are the given. Now compound is given CaF2. We have to calculate the coordination number of this. So CF2 is made of calcium, Ca and F minus. So radius of cation by radius of anion, cation radius is Ca plus 2, means Ca plus 2 is here. Ca plus 2 is here. So write the value of radius 0.100, and radius of anion is fluorine. So this radius. So this radius is given as 0.133. So after solving you will get 0.08, and at the radius is 0 as the radius of cation versus anion is 0.8. So coordination number will be 8. And this type of compound is example cesium chloride, CaCsCl. Okay, so we know if the radius of cation and anion, radius of cation and radius of anion varies in between 0.7 0.732 to 1, 0.32 to 1, then the coordination number will be 8, and as the value 0.8 lies between this, so coordination number is 8. And take another example. If FeO, iron oxide, so it is made up of Fe, Fe plus 2 and O minus 2. Okay, so write the radius of cation versus radius of anion. So radius of Fe plus 2 is 0.077, 0.077, and the radius of an ion is 0.140, and this value is 0.550. Hence the coordination the radius of cation versus radius of an ion is 0.55, so coordination number will be 6. And this type of example is NaCl, sodium chloride. Okay, as the radius of cation versus radius of an ion value varies between 0.414 to 0.732, so coordination number will be 6, and the value of 0.55, this value lies between this value, so coordination number is 6. Now we will discuss further ceramics in further videos. Till now, thank you. We will meet in next video.